Good day, folks. I'm First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. We're starting off this Tuesday with light snow moving through the area, and although it's not going to be a lot, it's the timing that could present a real issue. Of course, any snowfall during the morning commute, you can see how that obviously would slow things down. We're looking for accumulations that are generally going to be between a half inch. In a spot, maybe we'll get close to an inch, but this is all going to be a light end snowfall, and it's going to begin tapering off midday. During the afternoon, an isolated snow shower around, but the accumulating snow will be gone, and temperatures are going to warm up. We're back towards 40 degrees as early as tomorrow. And as we take a look at your bus stop forecast, light snow out there for the kids, temps between 27 and 30 degrees. The kids will need coats and mittens, but again, with a half inch to an inch of snow, the snowfall itself isn't going to be a big deal. No need for the big, heavy boots. Now, the day will shape up like this. The morning commute, light snow at 27, 32 degrees at lunchtime, still a few snow showers around. And the snow showers exit as we move into the evening hours, but it's light snow and then spotty showers for the second half of the day. Now, as we move on, here's a look at our futurecast. You can see the snow. This is at 8:30 in the morning, and now you're looking at about noon, and we begin to dry out. And you'll see that for the afternoon, it's just much spottier in nature. And as we move through the evening hours, even those few isolated snow showers that are behind are all gone now as well, and we'll see partly sunny skies for Wednesday. So Wednesday will be a brighter day, more sunshine, and a little milder. Most accumulation here is going to be under an inch for us across Metro Detroit. So it's going to be just a little bit of light snow. There's a more impressive system shaping up for us as early as tomorrow night and into Thursday. That one will be both snow and then rain. In Chicago, cloudy at 37. New York, rainfall at 48 degrees. Fog in Dallas, and we're looking at rainfall in Atlanta. And you can see, in fact, this rainfall will work its way up and down the eastern seaboard for tomorrow. We quiet down, partly sunny skies, but by Wednesday night, take a look. It'll start off as a bit of a mix, but then looks like we'll be looking at rainfall with the snow primarily to the north. This system moving to the north, dragging up some warmer air. So a lot of moisture, yes, but warmer air as well, which is why this is going to be a wet rather than a white system. So here's a look at your forecast in detail for today. Light snow for the morning hours, snow showers around for the second half of the day. Look for a high near 36, southwest winds at 5 to 10. Tonight, mostly cloudy, chilly, down to 29, southwest winds at 5 to 10. 40 degrees on Wednesday, partly sunny skies. Rain around for Thursday, high of 38. Friday's a decent looking day. We'll have bright skies, 39 degrees. And there are a couple of little systems, little areas of light snow around for Saturday and Sunday, so we have low-end chances over the weekend. Thanks a lot for joining us here on WXYZ.com. Have a great day, and be careful out there. It's just a little bit of snow, but enough to make the roads slip.